What are the criteria to file EB1A as self-petitioner? A Form I-140 application filed for an alien of extraordinary ability does not need to be supported by a job offer or be sponsored by an U.S. employer, and the alien applicant can self-petition for the EB1A application. For a self-petitioned EB1A application, the alien applicant must demonstrate that he or she will continue to work in the field of extraordinary ability in the United States, and the alien applicant's work should benefit the United States substantially. An EB1 Extraordinary Ability application filed by yourself does not need a job offer by an employer in United States. Therefore, you can file the EB1A petition as a self-petitioner. You should demonstrate that you intend to continue work in the area of your extraordinary ability, and that you should substantially benefit the United States in the future. In order to be qualified for an EB1 Extraordinary Ability visa, the petitioner must show, the foreign person has sustained national or international acclaims for his or her achievements, the foreign person is seeking to enter the United States to continue to work in the field of endeavor that is the subject of the acclaim, and the presence. To qualify for an EB1A visa, a self-petitioner must meet at least 3 of the following criteria. 1. Extraordinary ability. Demonstrate sustained national or international acclaim for their work in a field such as the arts, sciences, education, business, or athletics. 2. Original contributions. Provide evidence of original contributions to the field that are of major significance. 3. Published work. Have published material about their work in professional or major trade publications or other major media. 4. Invited to judge. Show that they have been invited to judge the work of others, either individually or as part of a panel. 5. Leading role. Show that they have performed in a leading or critical role in respected organizations. 6. High salary. Show that they command a high salary compared to others in their field. 7. Commercial success. Show commercial success in the performing arts. Any person has extraordinary ability in the sciences, arts, education, business, or athletics, which has been demonstrated by sustained national or international acclaim, and whose achievements have been recognized in the field through extensive documentation, can file the EB1 Extraordinary Ability petition as a self-petitioner. When seeking classification as a person of EB1 Extraordinary Ability, you need to file an immigrant petition for alien workers Form I-140, with evidence demonstrating that you are eligible. There are no standard criteria for what will substantially benefit the United States. In the EB1A applications, the petitioner must show that the alien will continue to work in the area of expertise in the United States. If USCIS adjudicators are not satisfied that the alien applicant has satisfied the requirements, a request for evidence, RFE, notice may be issued by USCIS. Thank you for watching the video. We offer high-quality complete do-it-yourself packages for U.S. green card application and working visa application, and we provide many samples of reference letters, and samples of petition cover letters for U.S. immigration and green card application, and we also let you know the U.S. green card application process and how to get your green card quickly. If you want to apply for a U.S. green card, our website greencardapply.com and complete do-it-yourself packages can help you get green card quickly, even without an U.S. employer sponsorship, and bypass the labor certification process. I hope the audience will give us a thumbs up, and subscribe our YouTube channel, to let the knowledge of U.S. green card applications spread to more immigrants, and let YouTube's algorithm recommends our videos to more viewers. For further and detailed information of U.S. green card application, please visit our website greencardapply.com. Thank you.